what's going on, everybody? This is Jeff the Tech Blazer, and today I'll be unboxing the 2020 iPad Pro. This is the 12.91, 128 gigabyte storage, Wi-Fi edition, because I do not need it to connect to cellular. But let's get this thing open. Gotta love the experience. Oh, yeah, okay, well. Beautiful. This is not quite what I expected from Apple, but thing's hefty. Going from the 11-inch to the 12.9, so this should be cool. Since I'm editing on this, the bigger screen could definitely come in handy. Oof. That is nice looking right there. I got the silver one. It's definitely got some heft to it. There's that new camera bump. This is clean. Real clean. Got a little bit of something on there already. Alright. Oh yeah. This is nice. Editing on this thing. It's gonna be nice, not to mention just watching content on it. Oh yeah. Yep, this is beautiful. The camera module is funny to see on an iPad after having it on the 11 Pro Max. It's just funny to see on something with such a big body to it, basically. Alright, let's fire this puppy up. I traded in my 11-inch iPad Pro, the 2018 one. You can get, if you go right to Apple, $240. I went to 9 to 5 Mac and got $300 for it. So roll that $300 right into getting this sucker. Oh yeah. Beautiful. So along with this, I got the nice folio case, since the new case with the keyboard and trackpad, it's not available yet, won't be for a couple months. So I just figured I'll just go for this one. It's got the Apple symbol right there. So get that out of there. This guy. I love this. I love the feel of these cases. They're so nice. They're not the best when it comes to protection, but I mean, you just can't beat how clean this looks. Let's see what else we have in the box. Designed by Apple in California. It's got to be stickers. And oh yeah, there's some good size Apple stickers right there. Nice. Put that off to the side. Got your charging brick. I'm old and I can't tell what this says, but beautiful. USB-C cable. I love this. This is so convenient, especially while I'm using the Galaxy S20 Plus, which is also USB-C, so I can charge up my phone pretty quickly with this one too. So that's probably it, I'm thinking. Yep, that's all we got. Alright, so I got the 2020 iPad Pro all set up. I got the Apple Pencil 2, which I forgot to record that I was unboxing, but whatever. I've never used an Apple Pencil before, so I hope it helps with precision editing on LumaFusion, just because using your finger as a slider isn't exactly as precise as I would like it to be. And then I was told by one of my friends about an app called Procreate, so maybe I can get back to drawing with it. And in a later video, I'll tell you how that goes. But yeah, we got it nice and set up, and I've already watched some content on it, and just having a bigger display than the 11 inch has been pretty cool. It's just as snappy as it was before, so I'll put it through the paces, do more editing on it, use that Procreate app to try and get a couple other projects going on there, and then I will come back with an actual review on it. But this has been my quick unboxing, and this has been Jeff the Tech Blazer, and I'll see you in the next one.